Okay, guys. So, ano tawag dito? So, sa tingin nyo, in this case, pagkakita nyo ng problem, siyempre ako agad iisipin ng iba dyan, kunin ko yung support reactions dyan, blah, blah, blah. Pero guys, ang suggestion ko is always look for the solvable joints instead na magsimula kayo agad for the reactions, okay? So, in this case, or even dalawa yung gusto kong gawin nyo and every time you're solving for the method of joints. Una is i-identify nyo guys yung solvable joint, of course, para mas mapabilis kayo. Tingnan nyo kung hindi naman na kailangan ng support, wag nyo na munang kunan ng support. And then the next thing is the zero force member. Okay, so ibig sabihin kailangan natin i-identify yung zero force member initially. So in this case guys, ano sa tingin niyo zero force member dyan? Okay, by condition, di ba we can treat this one as our zero force member. Bakit? Ang sabi, we have two collinear members daw, yung third member is a zero force member. So technically, excuse me. So technically guys, the third member is a zero force member. By that way kasi guys, mami-minimize mo na agad. Okay, meron ka na agad 1 point diyan kasi for example, the member EC is equal to the member EC is a zero force member. So, ibig sabihin, may nahanap ka na agad. So, tingnan nyo kung gaano ka-importante yung alam yung mga concept with regards to ano. Again, collinear members, the third member is a zero force member. Okay? So, ngayon, okay na tayo dyan. Pero, I think, dako tayo for the solvable joint. Okay? So, sa tingin nyo, saan yung pinaka ano dyan? Kasi kung kukunin nyo guys, ito pa pala, kung kukunin nyo guys yung reaction support dito, meron ka dyan, for example, meron ka dito, tapos meron ka din dito. Pag ganyan. So, 4 yan. Pag ano ka dyan, meron kang unknown dito, meron kang ding unknown dyan. So, technically guys, mahirap yan. That's structurally indeterminate by supports. So, doon na tayo mag-solve for the, mag-solve na lang tayo for the solvable joint. So, I think the best way is to get this one, the joint D. But before that, ang sabi ko pa, but before that, para mas maging maganda yung natin, kunin na lang natin angle. Okay, in this case guys, ang triangle natin dito is eto. Ayan guys, yung magiging triangle natin, this is 2, this is 1. So kapag in our tangent, opposite over ano natin yan, 2 over 1, we have 63.43 degrees. So this is 63.43 degrees. Okay, so technically okay na tayo dyan. Now, take na natin yung joint D. By taking joint D, okay, at joint D, let's see. At joint D. Pag tinake natin joint D guys, simple, kunin nyo lang yung forces na involved sa kanya. We have, pag ganyan, tama. And then eto, and then eto, then. So, ibig sabihin, yung joint D natin, we have, this is downward na. This is downward na 12 kilonewton. Ngayon, assume natin na tension both. This is CD, and then this is, ano yung letter yan? ED. So, this is CD, this is joint D, and then this is 63.43 degrees. Tama. So, yan. So, okay na. Okay na tayo for joint D. Now, solving for the summation forces vertical is equal to 0. 0 is equal to, so we have ED, positive, tama, sine of 63.43 minus yung 12 kilonewton natin na downward force. So, makukuha natin si ED. This is equal to 13, if I'm not mistaken. Teka lang, 0 equal to ED sine of 63.43 minus 12. So, therefore, this is 13.417. So, positive 13.417. And again, wag ka muna, sabi ko dyan, wag ka muna maglalagay ng mga directions mo. Sa dulo na lang yun. Okay, either positive or negative mag-isagot, wag ka muna magko-correct. Okay, so now, we have the summation forces horizontal equal to 0. So, 0 is equal to, so ED, so negative ED cosine of 63.43, and then minus, we have CD. Okay? Eh, di ba meron na tayong ED? Yung ED natin is 13.417. Okay? So, ang CD natin is equal to, may piyok pa ako 0 is equal to negative 13.417 cosine of 63.43 minus CD. So, ngayon, ang lilitaw sa atin ay negative 6 kilonewton. So, negative 6.00 kilonewton. So, ngayon ko na mag-check. So, yung ED natin, ibig sabihin, since positive yan, so this is 13.417 tension. Yung CD is equal to 6.00 kilonewton compression. So, this is the final answer for ating Okay, so okay na. Okay na tayo. Ngayon naman, pwede na ba tayong tumawid dito? So, pinapakukas sa atin lahat, dami. So, pwede na ba tayong tumawid sa joint E naman? Okay? So, kung titingnan mo yung joint E, alam mo na to, di ba? Okay na yan. Ito, alam mo na rin na zero force member yan. So, ibig sabihin, okay, ito, may known ka, dalawa na lang magiging unknown mo dyan. So, solvable by E? Solvable yung E. Solvable yung E, guys. Okay, so ibig sabihin, taking joint E at joint E, guys, walang but as long as a joint is solvable at meron kang mga known forces, walang problema kahit saan ka magsimulan joint. Pwedeng dito, pwedeng dito. As long as makuha mo lahat ng members. For method of joints, i-require ko kayo guys na hanapin lahat ng members. For method of section, specific members lang. Okay? So, joint E, kunin mo yung joint E, kabitan mo ngayon ng mga forces na ganyan. And then, di ba meron tayong, wait lang. Isa lang pala dyan yan. And then, asan ba joint E? And then, meron tayo dito, since zero force member, sige, lagay ko na rin. Then dito, and then, yung ED natin. Okay? And again, guys, if this is our joint, at kukunin natin to, di ba yung angle natin dito, na yan is equal lang this angle na yun. So, ibig sabihin, this is also our angle, 63.43. And again, guys, yung ED natin, so this is E. So, this is ED, tama? This is ED. Teka, tingnan natin. This is ED. This is EC. This is EB. And then, this is EF. Okay? Ito guys is 0. So, tanggalin nyo na muna. Siguro, alisin nyo na siya sa isip nyo muna. Yung ED natin is tension positive, assuming tension na yan. And then, itapos natin ulit lahat as tension. Okay? So, in this case guys, this is, teka lang, may kulang pa tayo. Ano to ngayon? Okay, yung triangle mo dyan is 2 by 2. Pagka equal yan, di ba? Inarc-tangent mo ng 2 over 2 yan, 45 degrees. So, isulit ko na dito. This is 45 degrees. Okay, now, summation forces vertical. Summation forces vertical is equal to 0. 0 is equal to negative, okay, EB, okay, sine of 45. Okay? Minus, okay, since downward yung ED mo, ED, sine of 63.43. And then, yun lang. And then, meron ka ng ED. May ED tayo na value is 13.417. Ngayon, ano yung EB mo? Yung EB natin is equal to 0, equal to negative EB sine of 45 minus 13.417 sine of 63.43. Makuha natin si EB, this is equal to negative 16.971. So, negative 16.971 kilonewton. Uulitin ko ulit for the nth time around. Huwag muna kayong magko-correct ng directions or huwag muna kayong maglalagay ng tension or compression. Tapusin nyo muna yung summation forces vertical at horizontal. Okay? 0 is equal to, okay, negative EF. Tama? Minus EB cosine of 45 plus ED cosine of 63.43. So, meron kang ED, meron kang EB na ito negative 16.971. Yung ED mo naman is positive 13.417. Okay, so therefore yung EF mo is equal to negative EF minus negative 16.971 cosine of 45 plus 13.417 cosine of 63.43. If we're going to shift solve for makukuha natin that your EF is equal to 18.00 kilonewton. So, this is 18.00 kilonewton. O, dito ka na for your EB, since nag-negative yan, this is equal to 16.971 kilonewton compression. For your EF naman is equal to 18.00 kilonewton tension. Since positive siya. So, okay na tayo dito. Okay. Pagod mag-method of joints, di ba? Now, so okay na tayo. Nakakalima pa lang tayo actually kasi meron na tayong 5 na dahil zero force member nga itong CE natin. So, okay. So, nakakalima ka pa lang. Meron pang natitira. Ngayon naman, okay, baka pwedeng mag-take ka naman ng joint dito sa C. Para makuha na natin yung na yan. Para makuha natin yung CB na yan. Okay? At joint C, mabilis lang itong joint C. Joint C, okay? Ang sabi sa atin sa joint C, dalawa lang ang mayroon tayong force, di ba? Sige, lagay ko zero force member para hindi kayo And again, this is zero force, tama. So, ibig sabihin, ang meron lang tayo is eto saka eto. We have CD saka CB, tama. CD saka CB. CD, eto ay CB. Ngayon, si CD natin, locate nyo siya, yung CD natin is 6 kilonewton compression. Okay, ibig sabihin, compression siya. Pag sinabing compression, papunta siya dun sa may joint. Corrected na yan. Okay, i-assume mo na tension tong CB, o di mag-summation forces horizontal equal to 0 ka. 0 is equal to negative CB minus CD. So, meron kang value ng CD na 6 kilonewton. 6 yan. So, technically, yung CB mo is equal to negative 6.00 kilonewton. So, yung CB is equal to 6.00 kilonewton. Itama mo na yan. Yan lang na may nahanap. Compression. So, that's for CB. Okay? So, bilis lang, no? May mga instances na ganyan. Madali lang kunin pagka Okay? Okay na tayo doon. Ngayon naman, pwede na ba tayo mag-take ng joint sa B naman? Ito. Tingin nyo ba? Pwede na ba natin ito i-solve? Pwede na natin i-solve yan. Kasi, known na to. Okay ka na dyan. Ito, nakuha na rin natin to, di ba? Ang nawawala na lang, ito, saka ito. Solvable yan. Kasi meron kang at least 2 unknowns at saka hindi naman lumagpas sa 2 yung nawawala mo. So, sige, mag-joint B na tayo. Okay? I hope nakakasunod pa, no? Basta, guys, always remember the concept. So, joint, joint B. Okay, at joint B, yan. At joint B, okay, meron tayong pa ganun, tama? And then, meron tayong papunta dito, yung BC natin nakakukuha lang natin, saka yung BE. Okay, so, sabihin, mag-take tayo ng joint dito. Again, yung angle na to is still 45 degrees. Tama. Tama. So, this is 45 degrees. Okay, and then, ano ba yung mga letters na involved dyan? So, we have BC. We have BE. We have FB. And then, we have AB. Ayusin ko lang. This is B. This is BC. BC ba yan? This is BC. This is BD. BE. Sorry. This is BE. And then this is FB. Okay. Now, okay na. Ngayon, i-double check mo ano yung mga knowns mo. Si CB or si BC ay 6 kilonewton compression. So, papunta siya doon. Si BE. Si BE mo naman ay, or EB is equal to 16.971 compression din. So, i-correct mo na. This is compression. Okay? So, ang assuming natin, ito yung nawawalan dalawa na yan. Okay? So, yun lang guys. So, summation forces, horizontal, meron pa pala tayong isa. Meron pa pala tayong 6 kilonewton, 8 kilonewton downward. So, munti ka na tayo mamali. Mamali ka talaga dyan pag di mo na isama yan. So, this is 8 kilonewton pa pala. Sorry. Which is downward. So, summation forces vertical is equal to 0. 0 is equal to FB. FB minus 8. Okay. Minus EB or BE sine of 45. So, technically, meron tayong BE. Ang BE natin is 16.971. So, therefore, yung FB natin or BF is equal to 0 is equal to x minus 8 minus 16.971 sine of 45. So, this is equal to 20 kilonewton. So, positive yan. So, this is 20 kilonewton. Pero, huwag muna tayo mag-correct. Tapusin muna natin kasi kailangan natin summation forces horizontal equal to 0. Horizontal is equal to negative AB. Tama. Minus BC minus BE cosine of 45. Ano yung value ni BC natin? Ni BC or ni CB, this is 6.00. Si BE naman ay 16.971. So, therefore, AB is equal to 0 is equal to negative AB minus 6 minus 16.971 cosine of 45. So, this is equal to negative 18. So, this is negative 18.00 kilonewton. Okay, final answer for this joint, we have FB is equal to 20 kilonewton tension. For AB, we have 18.00 kilonewton compression. So, we have final answer for this one. Okay? Haba. Tapos ngayon, okay na tayo dyan. For the last joint naman, let's consider joint F. Yun na lang naman natitira para makuha natin lahat, di ba? At joint F, game na to. Sunod-sunod na to. Okay, at joint F, guys, ano yung mga ng force dyan? We have F, eto. Teka, copy ko nga muna yung ano. Ano daw yun? Copy ba yun? Hindi naman na ano kasi. Okay, sige, ano na lang natin. Okay? Ay, lang. Di ba may nakakonect na ganyan? Ano pa? Meron tayo nakapababa dito. Meron tayo nakapa. Ganon. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, okay, ang mga letters natin dyan is EF. Ito, EF to. Nakuha na ba natin EF? Oy, nakuha na natin EF before. Ang EF, ito, EF muna. And then, EF, we have GF. We have BF. And we have AF. Kasi nga, natural joint F yan. Puro F yan. Okay, isa-isahin natin mga known. Ang EF natin is 18 kilonewton tension. So, EF natin is 18 kilonewton tension. Your BF is, or FB is equal to 20 kilonewton tension. So, may GF na ba? Saka AF, wala pa. So, yun na. Pwede na tayo mag-take ng summation forces vertical is equal to 0. 0 is equal to, by the way, assuming na ganyan yan. Okay, and then, teka lang pala. Yung AF natin wala pang angle, but assuming na ano yan, this is also 63.43. Opposite, adjacent. Okay? Okay. So now, okay na. So 0 is equal to 6. This is 63.43. Okay, 0 is equal to negative AF sine of 63.43 minus BF. Yun lang pala. So, ang BF natin is 20. So, ano ngayon si AF? Si AF natin is equal to negative AF sine of 63.43 minus 20. So, this is equal to negative 22.362 kilonewton. Mamaya na ulit, we have the summation forces horizontal equal to 0. 0, ito man dumadami to. Negative GF minus AF cosine of 63.43 plus EF. So, ibig sabihin, ang AF natin is negative 22.362. Ang EF natin is, ayun, ay 18.00 kilonewton. Ilan ngayon yung GF? 0 is equal to negative X minus negative 22.362 cosine of 63.43 plus 18. 28. So this is 28 kilonewton. Okay, 28 kilonewton. And then for the final answer for this joint, we have AF is equal to 22.362 kilonewton compression. For GF is equal to 28.00 kilonewton tension. For the last part of the problem, this is the final answer. Okay, so yun lang. Haba ano. So masanay kayo na ganyan.